Uh, by Sharia, when a mother is cleaning her child, what does she need to do to make sure her wudu stays, or does she need to do it again? There is no need for a person, for the mother when she is cleaning the child. There is no need for her to do now the new wudu, because it won't break the wudu. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Ahmad Bhai, there is no need for a mother to make her new wudu if she is cleaning the child. Even if there is, if she touches the private part of the child while cleaning it, it makes no difference, because after all she is mother, and it won't. The only thing that make the wudu will break is when a man or woman passes the wind or touches the private part, or anything that comes out of the private part in the form of a liquid or urine, or gas. So this kind of things are something that will break the wudu, but touching children's private part or washing them or cleaning them does not break the wudu of the mother. So alhamdulillah, this is a very important question, mashallah, you ask, because many women, they have the young children and they have to clean them, and they may be confused about it. So